Hey everyone. Feeling fear from English? Ready to polish your English shine? Let's jump into practice.
Good morning, Alex. What are your plans for today?
Hi, good morning Sarah. I am going to study English in the library, then play basketball in the park. How about you?
I am going to the supermarket to buy groceries. Do you need anything?
Yes, please. Can you get some bread and milk?
I am feeling tired. What are you going to do tonight?
I am going to watch a movie. Do you want to join me?
I am hungry. What do you want to eat for lunch?
I am not sure. Maybe we can try that new pizza place down the street.
I love pizza. What kind do you want?
I will have pepperoni. And what about you?
I will have cheese. And can I have a glass of orange juice?
Wow, it's a great combination.
Do you like music? What kind of music do you listen to?
I love music. I listen to pop, rock, and sometimes classical music. What about you?
I like reading books. What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Learning English. Have you read it?
I love watching movies. What's your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies and action movies. What about you?
Where are you from, Alex?
I am from London, England. How about you?
I am from Tokyo, Japan. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Sarah. Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak Japanese. And a little bit of Spanish.
That's cool. I only speak English.
This coffee is delicious. What kind of coffee is it?
It's a latte with caramel flavor. Do you like it?
Yes, I love it. This park is beautiful. Look at the flowers.
You are right. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the sunshine.
My new shoes are comfortable. What color are they?
They are blue and white. They look really nice on you.
I think this movie is funny. What do you think?
I agree. It's really hilarious.
I don't like rainy weather. Do you?
I don't either. I prefer sunny days.
I think learning English is difficult, but rewarding.
I agree. It takes time and practice, but it's worth it.
Can you please pass me the salt?
Sure, here you go.
Do you want to go to the beach this weekend?
Yes, I am ready. What time are we leaving?
I am making pizza for dinner. Would you like some?
Yes, please. Thank you.
I love pizza. I eat pizza every week.
I like pizza too. I usually eat pizza on Fridays.
I study English every day. It's important to practice.
I agree. I watch English movies and TV shows to improve my listening skills.
I take the bus to school every morning. It's faster than walking.
I ride my bike to school.
What are you going to do after graduation?
I am going to study computer science at university. What about you?
I am not sure yet. Maybe I will travel the world.
That sounds exciting. Where do you want to go?
I would like to visit Paris, Tokyo, and New York City.
I have never been to Tokyo. I would love to go there someday.
Can I help you with anything?
Yes, I am looking for a new pair of shoes.
What size are you? And what kind of shoes are you looking for?
I am a size 9, and I am looking for sneakers.
It's a beautiful sunny day today.
I agree. It's perfect for going for a walk in the park.
It's raining cats and dogs. I hope it stops soon.
Me too. I don't like getting wet.
What are you doing tomorrow?
I am free. Do you want to go to the movies?
This coffee is hot. Be careful.
You are right. It's much hotter than the coffee I usually drink.
I am sorry I am late. My bus was delayed.
No worries. I understand. It happens to everyone.